Good morning, friends and neighbors. I'm in Mint Hill, North Carolina at the food line. You see I'm getting bombarded by snowflakes on my hat here. It's actually snowing here, friends. Check it out. See it landing on my windshield? This is awesome. Bye-bye. Okay, friends. Hey, I'm back home, and guess what? It's still snowing. I took a young teenage boy to college, not to college, but to school this morning. Stopped by the grocery store, and now we're back home. We got a busy day planned today. Hopefully we're going to make a few videos that we can get out there to you guys, a couple how-to videos. And actually this morning, I don't have a whole lot to talk about. I do want to show you my little shooting range that I put together so we could actually do a little bit of shooting here at the house with the BB gun. So I'm going to show you that right quick. Okay guys, here's my little shooting range here. I'll walk out here closer where you can see here, but we got some targets set up about, I don't know, 15 yards away, then some about 20 yards away, and then maybe 23, 25 back there at the back. Of course, we got our burn can we can shoot at too. So if you want to make something to just kind of practice at your own house, you know, with a BB gun, you can go out to the dollar store and you can buy these pizza pans and little baking pans and stuff of that, a little cake pan. And these are only like $1 a piece. They're just the cheapies, and they work great for this because they're thick enough that a BB will not poke a hole in them. You see they put a nice dent in there. And we got some old weight racks here set up, and like a metal stake, you know, a fence stake on this one here. And then we come right out to this one here. Then we got another weight tree, and we got a pizza pan strapped to it, and a little small container here. This one here, you got to be a pretty good shot to hit that at 20 yards away. Of course, out here we got an old section of a trampoline and I just attached one of the pizza pans to it as well. So friends, you can make yourself a little target range, you know, and you can practice some of your fundamentals even with a BB gun. You know, it's good practice, good exercise, practicing your grip and drawing a pistol or whatever. You know, just use your little BB gun. My daughter's gonna love this when she comes home from college because she is an expert at the Red Ryder BB gun. I've never seen a girl in my life that good with a Red Ryder BB gun. But anyway, she'll have fun. She'll enjoy this. Friend, the snow's coming down. I don't know if you can see the little flakes flying past the camera lens, but it's still snowing here today. All right, guys, have a great day, and be on the lookout for some good videos coming up soon. Okay, guys, decided to add a little bit more to this video. Since we're out here, we got talking about the target range that I put together for me and the kids to play with. I decided I'd demonstrate this morning. So here we go. Got our little BB gun here, okay, and we're ready. I think we got it on fire. We do. And we got Sammy. Now we got to watch out for Sammy. We can't shoot him. Kids would be very mad at me if we got rid of Sammy. Look at him. Say hey to the people, Sammy. All right, so here we go. As soon as we start shooting, he's gonna start running around. But that's why I like when he runs over this way, we gotta move over that way to shoot, back and forth. So we're gonna start right here. Let's see if I can do this and film it too. Show you how cool this little, bam. Now let's shoot out here toward the big one. Bam. Let's shoot the can one time. Look at Sammy. Look at him. He's like guarding the whole area. He's saying, where's the next one going to go? We'll shoot out that way again. Go on out there, Sammy, so I can shoot the ones closer. There he goes. Now we come back over here. Oh, he come back too close. Let's hit the can one time. This is good exercise for Sammy. Oh, I missed that one altogether. Watch this. You see the wheelbarrow over there? Now he'll run over and get out of my way for a while. So we can hit that one. And we can hit the gong out here. I'm calling it the gong. I'm kind of like, this reminds me of Hickok 45. I don't know if y'all have ever watched his videos. He's got some really good gun videos. But anyway, we got our he's got a gong like 100 yards away, and he'll shoot it sometimes. Anyway, friends, that's our little target range. There's Sammy. There's an old truck in the background. We got to get rid of that thing. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Take care.